Welcome to our guide on critical thinking, a skill essential for navigating the complexities of modern life. Critical thinking is the ability to analyze information objectively and make a reasoned judgment. It involves evaluating sources, such as data, facts, observable phenomena, and research findings. Effective critical thinkers are able to separate facts from opinions, apply logic and reasoning, and consider various perspectives before reaching a conclusion. To develop critical thinking, start by asking questions. Never accept information at face value. Ask yourself who created this information, what is their motive, and what evidence supports their claims. Be curious and open-minded, but also skeptical. Next, gather information. Seek out credible sources and look for evidence that both supports and contradicts your initial belief. This will help you see the bigger picture and make more informed decisions. Analyzing the information is crucial. Break it down into manageable parts, examine the relationships between them, and identify patterns or inconsistencies. This will help you understand the underlying structure of the information and assess its validity. Remember, critical thinking also involves being self-reflective. Acknowledge your biases and preconceptions. Consider how your own experiences and emotions might influence your judgment. Being aware of these biases can help you mitigate their impact on your reasoning. Another important aspect of critical thinking is problem solving. Approach problems systematically by defining them clearly, brainstorming possible solutions, evaluating the feasibility of each option, and implementing the best solution. This process not only helps in reaching effective solutions, but also enhances your analytical skills. Finally, practice communicating your thoughts clearly and concisely. Being able to articulate your reasoning to others is a key part of critical thinking. It allows you to engage in constructive discussions and refine your ideas. Incorporating these steps into your daily routine will gradually improve your critical thinking skills. Remember, it's an ongoing process that requires patience and practice. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Keep questioning, keep learning, and keep thinking critically.